What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to open up a bunch of Donruss value packs and see if we can finish the set, or at least get a little bit closer. We got 41 cards left to find for the base set of Donruss, and hopefully we can find them today. Thank you for stopping by and checking out the video. If you like content like this, think about subscribing. I would really appreciate it. We're trying to push to get to 300 right now, and hopefully we can get there soon where we can put another giveaway. Bunch of base out of Donruss, so we will skip through them somewhat quick. We got a green laser of John Wall. Let's move these base off to the side. We got a Magician's Luka. Ooh, there we go. Jaden Ivey on the rookies. Some more base. Ja. LeBron. Donovan Mitchell. CP. Here's our rookies. Kennedy Chandler. Johnny Davis. And J-Dub? Yeah, J-Dub. The other one is J-Will. All right, not too bad. We will take that. Little off-centered there. If you haven't seen my centering video that I did for Donruss, stop by and check that out. I'll leave the link down in the description. All right, let's get on to this next one. All right, Marcus, Darius Garland, Trae Young, Ant-Man. Bogdan is going to be our green laser. We got Jason Tatum on the franchise features. There we go. J-Dub again on the Great Expectations. Got some more base cards. Base for days. Moses Moody. Larry. And here we go. Bryce McGowan's. Mark Williams. So those two are definitely coming together in the sequence. You see a Bryce McGowan, you get a Mark Williams on there. Hornets rookies are sticking together this year. All right, next pack. Tatum, Vucevic, Halliburton, Flip, McConnell, LaMelo. I'll take that. Don't have one of those yet. Scotty Barnes on the second year. We got PJ Tucker for our green laser. Zach LaVine on the franchise features. Ooh, there we go. It's a dub opening. Bomb Squad. I'm pretty sure they only put him in this insert set because his ankles be blowing up. Gotta give him some crap, you know. My PC team and his ankles be blowing up all the time. Bomb Squad. That's why they don't show his ankles. See? The explosion's coming from his ankles. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. All right, let's keep going. LeBron, Trey Murph, Luka. And that's about it. Blake Wesley, Kendall Brown, and Malachi Branham for the rookies. All right, 3 packs left. Then after I get done, we'll go through our hits, and we will see if I manage to pick up a couple of cards that I need for the set, and I'll let you know after that. Another LaMelo. Better put that down just in case one of them's off-center. Looks like LaMelo and Scotty Barnes come together. Vucevic for the green. Yes. All right, we got a Steph Curry on the bomb squad. We'll take that. Giannis on the franchise features. Luka again. Not too much more, just bunch base. Base. Caleb Houston. Keegan Murray, we will take that. And Nikola Jovic. All right, 2 packs left. I don't even know. Can you hit autos out of here? Still looking for one of those hollow pink lasers. That'd be nice. All right. First card, then flip. Base. Gobert. Mr. Fighter. And Tyrese Halliburton. Let's let that be a pink laser. No, just a green laser. Very nice. We'll take that. Dame on the complete players. Franchise features of Jordan Clarkson. And skip through these so we can get to our rookies. And we got Ochai Agbaji, Jaden Ivey, good rookie to get, and Patrick Baldwin Jr. So at least we got a couple good rookies out of here. One last chance for a pink laser. Cade Cunningham, second year. Let's see. Joker. Pink. Oh, whoops. Pink? Nope, just green laser. All right. Christian Braun on the Great Expectations. Johnny Davis pink? Nope. But we did get a rookie green laser. So we'll take that. That's the first time I've seen cards off-centered to the left. So that's interesting. Base. Giddy. Brandon Clark. Not too much else in there. All right. Tons of base cards. Tons. So if you're looking to build the set, I think the value packs are the way to go on this set. Dalen Terry, Isaiah Mobley, and Jalen Duren. Not too bad. Here's what we got of our notable stacks. Vucevic on the green laser. Tyrese Halliburton on the green laser. Oh, I said Vucevic. That's Jokic, and there's Vucevic. PJ Tucker. Couple of rookies for my PC. Luka on the Magicians. I'd probably say that's the most notable card out of there. And for our halfway decent to hit stack, we got Johnny Davis on the green laser. Christian Braun, Great Expectations. We did get a J. Will on the Great Expectations. Jaden Ivey on the rookies. Jaden Ivey base. Keegan Murray base. Steph Curry. J-Dub. And Mr. Exploding Ankles himself, Bomb Squad, LaMelo Ball. We'll take it. Hopefully he can come back and stay healthy. I'd really appreciate that. People need to keep their feet from going underneath his, and he needs to watch where he's landing. All right, that's going to do it for today. Thanks for stopping by and checking out the video. Make sure you hit that like on the way out, and I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe if you haven't already. Peace.